given a chance where you are riding very normally and then you have to rev it suddenly, or you are like, okay, you would do 100 or 110 kmph but in a very cool and calm manner, then you would say yes, the buzziness is there after 5 kpm. But yeah, there is that. Having said that, that's not a bothersome buzz or vibrations or anything of that sort. It's just there to make you feel like, okay, you are riding an IC single cylinder IC engine, because the refinement of this can't be matched to any of the Japanese motorcycles. The 150cc or 200cc Japanese motorcycles are definitely better refined than this. And also, as per my experience, at least in a short test ride, I have found out the Triumph engines to be quite refined. So that's one good thing. Yeah, let me show you what I was saying. Let me try to do that demo here. See, the bike is totally fine right now. See, right now after the 5 kpm there's a little buzz that starts around here, exactly, to be precisely speaking, this area. So it's not a problem as such, but yes, you definitely feel some buzziness here, and I feel maybe with little bit of tweaking you can get it fixed. Yeah, maybe a double taping, because this plastic part that you see is more of a shroud than a tank part. It is not really a tank, so it sits on top freely with few nuts here and there, I mean few bolts here and there holding it up. So it's not really a not really an unfixable issue, I see. I mean, probably if I do some DIY, which I would definitely do, it's just that I'm not getting time to do that. If I do that, I feel this buzziness over here, this part that I've shown, where your thighs touch the tank, so that can be reduced, is what I feel. I'll see.